Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video, I will be walking you through how to use our T1 tax software for Mac. Upon launching the application, you will see an interface known as the TaxTron channel. This section enables convenient access to various support features, including live chat, frequently asked questions, FAQ, our official website, and demonstration videos. Additionally, depending on your location within the country, you can easily locate the support phone number and office hours of our offices. These toggles provided here allow you to change the language of the TaxTron channel and the application. Furthermore, you have the option to use different shortcuts such as creating a new return, opening an existing return, or rolling forward a previous year's return by selecting the corresponding options available here. Otherwise, you can find these options under the File menu in the navigation bar. In this video demonstration, let's begin by creating a new return. The initial step is to complete the ID section for the primary taxpayer. If you choose the marital status as married or common law, you will be required to provide your spouse's information as well. To proceed, let's fill in these details now and proceed with the walkthrough. To link your spouse's return, simply click on the designated button located here. To navigate between your and your spouse's returns, you can utilize the drop-down menu provided here. In our software, we support two modes, either you can use form mode or step mode. One enables you to use the step-by-step method for completing your return, while the other allows you to input information directly into the appropriate forms to complete your return. If you opt to use the form method, you will need to utilize the Form Manager, which can be accessed through this window here. Let's take an example where we need to add a T4 form to John's tax return. In the search bar located at the bottom of the Forms Manager, you can enter T4 or the specific form you are looking for, and then double-click on it and open it. If you need multiple instances of specific forms, you may have the option to add or remove instances by clicking on these buttons here. To switch between forms, simply click on the corresponding tab representing the desired form you wish to view. Certain forms can be removed by clicking on this button, while some of the forms cannot be removed. For instance, if we add an invoice and attempt to remove it, you will notice that the Remove Form button is grayed out, indicating that we cannot remove this particular form. The Summary section provides a comprehensive overview of financial information related to your tax return. This includes details such as total income, taxable income, refund or balance owing amount, and quarterly GST payment. Towards the bottom of the window, you'll find the Diagnostic section. This section highlights any errors in your return that require correction or cautions that you should be aware of. To navigate to the specific section related to each error or caution, simply click on the link next to the green arrow. It's important to note that all red diagnostic errors within your return must be addressed and fixed before proceeding to file your tax return. Lastly, let's discuss the navigation bar located at the top of the window. This bar provides convenient access to various important tasks you may need to perform while using TaxTron. Tune in to our next video where we will discuss the features of the navigation bar. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.